Surface currents, statues in the water, the waves going around, tide pulling out around the rocks and the debris, and the pier standing, interrupting the current. Boats anchored in the bay, resisting the current, sitting on the surface like statues. The wind is blowing, but there they are like statues resisting the current, anchored against the current. Against the wind and the power of the wind, pulling, attempting to keep the flow. Seagulls flying in the currents of air, circulating around the bay in search of food, revealed in the seashore as the tide retreats. Ho, ho, the wind doth blow, the waters cover the sea. The sun is setting behind the clouds. What shall I do with thee? The tide is out. Withdraws. The surface of the water listens in its final moments before the darkness comes. The sky is still blue behind the grey. The wind is blowing across the surface of the water, pushing it forward, pushing it forward. The tide is, magnetic tide is pulling it back, pulling it back. All is revealed under the surface. The current has retreated to what is here in the mud. Millions of cells of life hail to the natural light. Fisherman searches for bait, for worms. The surface current has retreated. In a few hours this will be covered again, and the wind still blows and pushes and pushes, and the tide pulls. The birds hover above it on the thermals. The air that we can't see, like cushions. The boats move if they're not anchored with the current. Skipping along the surface with ease, that they have a motor to resist, push against the wind. boarders ride against the waves, push against the current of the water with their oars. The grey and the silver and the blue, like an artist's canvas. Down through the sea, eternal motion. Man has made stands